Hey guys, it's Jessica and welcome back to another video. Today I just want to do a quick little first impression review, get ready with me using this brand that I've never heard of. I got it in my BoxyCharm this month and it is the Beauty Creations Cali Chic palette. I've been seeing this brand pop up a little more lately. I've kind of seen them pop up on random websites. So I was like, let's try it out. It comes with a mirror. Packaging is okay. It's kind of cute. It's like a basic cardboard packaging like any eyeshadow palette. The design is kind of cute. I'm not a huge fan of the logo. I mean, that's just a preference. It looks kind of cheap to me. Again, that's just an opinion. You know, you might think it looks, whoa, there's a loud noise that scared the shit out of me. But I don't know, maybe the eyeshadows are actually really good. On the back, it has all of the ingredients, which I think is nice. Some cheaper palettes do not have ingredients on them. It's cruelty free, so that's good. It comes with 9 shades, which isn't bad, and they seem to be decent size. Overall, with the amount of product you get, I think it's really good for the price. There's 5 matte shades. There's 2 up here, and then these 3 are matte, and then these ones here in the middle are all shimmers. And they have cute names like, it's Cali Chic, so like Venice, Malibu, Marina, Boardwalk, Laguna. It's got Sail, Sunset, Tanlines, Beach Babe. I think the theme is super cute, and I like the names of the shadows, and the shadows look really cute too, so I'm gonna feel really bad for shitting on this palette. The more I look at it and talk about it, the more I'm liking it. Anyhow, let's get into it and try it out. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with Venice. I'm not sure how, it looks really light right here, but I don't know how dark it's gonna show up on me, so I'm gonna start out with that and see what it looks like. Okay, it's just pretty much, Venice is pretty much just the same exact color as my skin, so I'll just lay it down as kind of a base. The next lightest shade is Marina, so I think that might be good as like a transition shade. Okay, that's working as a nice little transition shade. I actually like that. It's very light, it's very subtle. It's kind of like a tanny, peachy color. What the hell, let's just go in with Laguna. That's the darkest shade. The colors seem to be pretty good. I mean, they're blending easily. They have, you know, a decent amount of pigment. I'm not mad at them so far. I'm gonna run Marina and Laguna underneath my eye. Let's swatch some of these shimmers to see which one I wanna put on my lid. So this is Tanlines. Ooh, that's cute. It's kind of a coppery color. Okay, no, Boardwalk is more of a coppery color. I guess Tanlines is kind of rose gold. Those are both really pretty. Oh my gosh, the shimmers are really good. I love all of the shimmers. I think I might go with Tanlines because I want to do kind of natural looking, and Tanlines is the lightest, so I might do that one. Okay, that's pretty cute. I do like that. Now I feel really bad for shitting on this palette. When I first got it and I saw it in there, I was like, come on, BoxyCharm, why are you sending me these shitty, cheap ass palettes? I'm actually really digging it. I like it a lot. I like the colors. I like the formula. Guess I need to take back everything I said. I'm gonna add a little pop of gold in the middle here just to brighten it up a little. And this is the completed look. I really liked the shadows. Actually, I know I talked a bunch of shit about the packaging and I talked about how it just seemed like a cheap ass shitty palette, but I liked it. I liked it a lot. I really love how this turned out. It's just very subtle, very natural, really quick. I did it in like 2 minutes. I mean, red lipstick is cute, but you can really see it when it gets on your teeth. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I will see you in my next one.